How do you know you are in alignment with your divine purpose? Is it merely about being connected to a church, a ministry, a person, place, or thing? No. That which calls from within, the quiet tug, the persistent nudge, the unshakable inner knowing, is a true indicator of divine purpose. What flows to you naturally, what you do effortlessly, and what continues to show up in your daily life, these are signs of your passion. And passion, beloved, is often the breadcrumb trail to your purpose. Alignment is a spiritual process. It requires you to be deeply connected to the Creator, God, your divine source. It's through this connection that the journey of your life begins to unfold with clarity. Interestingly, the areas where you've experienced the most pain often reveal the very spaces where your purpose lies. Pain is not the enemy, it's a mirror. It reflects the potential for growth, healing, and transformation. But here's the truth. Most people retreat when pain arises. That's natural. Pain can be dangerous. It can threaten your peace, your health, and even your will to go on. In those moments, survival becomes the priority. Yet, how many times have we heard stories of triumph, of those who walked through the fire and emerged stronger? Take, for example, someone battling a chronic illness. Their journey is long, painful, and uncertain, yet it's also filled with perseverance, mindset shifts, spiritual awakenings, and an unshakable faith. That journey, the process itself, may be the alignment. It becomes the testimony that breathes hope into others. When you choose to take back control of your life, you begin a journey of self-discovery and spiritual awareness. And on that path, your capacity will be stretched far beyond what's comfortable or expected, but that's where transformation happens. Your alignment may not look like anyone else's, and that's not just okay, it's divine design. You were never called to copy. You were called to become. Script by Amy F. McNeely.